All of you read in the question. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Read in the question. For the given electrical circuit, extract the signal flow graph. And find the transfer function. Circuit. So here we have a RC circuit. So we have input as VA and output as V0, and we have two resistors as well as two capacitors, R1, R2 as well as C1, C2. So these two just write down as C1 and C2. So don't write down that as 1 over C1 and 1 over C2. So in the question, so just make your alteration, this one as C1 and this one as C2. So here for this RC circuit, first we need to write down, we need to identify the number of loops. So here this is the first loop as I1 and this one as I2. So already it's in AS domain, so we can able to write down the equations. So directly we can able to write down with respect to the Laplace only, because we have in terms of, so this one as Vi of t and this one as V0 of t. So just write down the task, this one as Vi of t and this one as V1 of t. So that is with respect to that we have a current as I1 of t and I2 of t. So now for this we need to identify the node voltages. So this one write down as V1 of t and this voltage across this node as V2 of t. So they are given Vi, V0, R1, R2, C1, C2, but we need to identify the node voltages as well as the loop currents. So now to write down the equation for the first current, that is I1 of t. I1 is equal to I is equal to, what's the equation for I1? What write the equation for I1 of t? I is equal to V by R. So here we have a difference in voltage,
Yeah.
Vi of t minus Vi of t minus V1 of t divided by R1. In the same way, with respect to V1, so V1 of t is equal to 1 over C1 integral of I1 of t minus I2 of t. So here only we can able to apply the Laplace so that I1 of S is equal to Vi of S minus V1 of S divided by R1. The same way here, V1 of S is equal to 1 over C1S into I1 of S minus I2 of S. Afterwards, the second loop current equation, I2 of t is equal to, so these two, I2 is equal to V1 minus, what about this V2? So just look at here, V0, whatever the voltage across the output, the same we can able to observe across V2, so that we can able to make this as V0. So I2 of t is equal to V1 of t minus V0 of t divided by R2, which implies with respect to I2 of S by Laplace, V1 of S minus V0 of S divided by R2. The same way with respect to V0, the final output voltage, V0 of t is equal to 1 over C2 integral of the current across, that is I2 of t dt, that is equal to 1 over C2S into I2 of S. This is how we can able to extract the equations of the given circuit. So just look at here, we'll explain it once again. So we have a RC circuit, we have a VI, V0, R1, R2, C1, C2. First we need to identify the loops. So today we have two loops. So written the loop current as I1 and I2. Afterwards, across this particular point, we have a voltages we can observe, that is node voltages as V1. And this one initially I have written as V2, but this is equal to the output voltage. So V1 and V0. And then we need to write down the voltage as well as current equations. So first we have a current as I1, I is equal to V by R, as we know that. So Vi minus V1 by R1, and then V is equal to 1 over the integral of I1 minus I2, and then I2 is equal to V1 minus V0 by R2, and then V0 is equal to 1 over C2 integral of that with respect to the current I2. So this is how we can able to write down the equation for I1, V1, I2, V0. So with the help of these equations, we need to extract the signal flow graph. So to extract the signal flow graph, so just look at the variables. The first variable is Vi, the next variable as I1, next variable as V1, and the next variable as I2, and the last one as V0. So our signal flow graph always starts from the input and it should be end up across output. So in that manner, we need to identify the node. So totally we have 5 nodes. So the first node is Vi, the next node is I1, Vi of S, I1 of S, and then V1 of S. Afterwards, we have a I2 of S. At the last, we have a V0 of S. So Vi is the input and V0 is the output. These are the intermediate nodes. So now, starting from the first equation, I1 is equal to Vi of S minus V1 of S divided by R1. That indicates Vi by R1 minus V1 by R1. So I is equal to Vi of S by R1. So that is the forward path. Wherever we have a positive, that is the forward path. Wherever we have a negative, that's the feedback path. So I1 is equal to Vi of S by R1. That is 1 over R1 as a gain. And then minus V1 of S by R1. So here, look at here, V1 of minus V1 of S by R1. That is acting as a feedback path. So just write down the feedback path for I1. This is minus 1 over R1. What's the point here? How to write the signal flow graph? the same way, to write down for V1. So V1 is equal to 1 over C1s into I1s. So how to write down this? So V1 of S is equal to 1 over C1 into I1. That indicates that is acting as a forward path. So I1 as a forward path because of positive sign. That is 1 over C1s minus I2 is there. So minus indicates what that negative sign indicates. Bhavana?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what about this minus I2 of how to write down this I2 by C1?
Sir, feedback
Is
minus.
it a forward path? Yeah, minus.
Feedback, sir.
So write down as a feedback path. That is minus 1 over C1s. What about for I2? V1 of S divided by R2? Bhavana?
Forward path,
Bhavana.
sir. Yes, sir.
So forward path, what's the gain? What is the gain here?
V1 of t minus V2 of t.
So for I2 of S, we have equation as V1 by R2 minus V0 by R2. So what is the gain we need to write down for this? What's the denominator term for V1? What is the denominator term for V1?
R2.
R2, sir.
So 1 over R2 acting as a gain here. Then minus V0 of S by R2. So how to write down that? For I2 note,
Feedback.
we have a V1 by R2 minus V. So V0 to I2 acting as a feedback. Gain is, what is the gain?
Minus 1 by R2.
Minus 1 by R2. The same way for the last equation, V0 of S is equal to 1 over C2S into I2S. So from I2, it is acting as a forward path with a gain as 1 over C2S. So this is how we can able to write down and extract the signal flow graph for the given circuits. So first we need to write down the equations, write down the equivalent Laplace, and then identify the nodes, and then whichever is a positive sign, so make it as a forward path, whichever is a negative sign, so make it as a feedback path. So for this signal flow graph, so find out the transfer function. So first find the forward path, then find out the loops, non-touching loops, and then Mason's gain form. Solve ಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿ, ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. So anybody is having doubt regarding this problem, you can clarify now. To write the equations or to write the signal flow graph. So running the second question. Solve these two problems. Neha came. Roll number 61. Roll number 61. Am I audible? Neha KR.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Neha KR. Solve the first problem.
Yes, sir.
And Nesara also. Nesara.
Yes, sir.
Solve the first problem. Prabhanjan and Raghavendra. Prabhanjan and Satvik. Prabhanjan.
Yes, sir.
That's all the second one. Prabhanjan and Satvik. So wherever solve ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So or else I will deduct the marks. Neha,
Yes, sir.
yeah, what's the equation?
I1 of t is equal to
Yeah,
Vi of t minus V1 of t divided by R1.
yeah. What about S domain?
I1 of S is equal to Vi of S minus V1 of S divided by R1.
Okay. What about next? V1.
V1 of t is equal to 1 by C1 integral of I1 of t minus I2 of t into dt.
Okay. What about that 1 over C1 of S, I1 of S minus I2 of S?
Okay.
Okay. What about third equation?
I2 of t is equal to V1 of t minus V0 of t divided by R2. I2 of S is equal to V1 of S minus V0 of S divided by R2.
What about last?
V0 of S is equal to LS into I2 of S.
So because of inductor, here it is L into di2 by dt.
di2 of t. Yes.
So that L into S into I2 of S. So the signal flow graph is similar to the previous one only, but the small change
Difference is
across
LV.
output this one. Only we have L1S here. So that's the major difference. The
Yes,
remaining
sir.
thing are all are same. Thank you. Prabhanjan? 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 Satvik?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah. Can you tell me the first equation?
So I1 of t is equal to
Yeah, I1 of t is equal to.
Vi of t minus V1 of t
Yeah, tell me
by
the
R.
Laplace equation.
Vi s minus V1 of s by R1.
Vi of S divided by R1 minus V1 of S divided by R1. What about second one, V1 of S?
So right of
What? What is the equation for V1 of S? So here we have a V1 and here we have a V2 and here we have a V3. Satvik, what is the equation for V1? V is equal to A, no?
so 1 by R2.
V is equal to A, no? Equation, no?
V1
Generally, V is equal to IR. IR alwa? So
so
V1 is equal to ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ?
1 by R2.
1 by L over. V is directly proportional or inversely proportional?
Directly proportional.
Directly proportional 1 by L ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ. V1 is equal to.
I into R. I1 R.
But here we have two currents, I1 minus I2 into
R2.
I1 minus I2 into R2. So I1 of S into R2 minus I2 of S into R2. What about third one? I2?
Right of s is equal to
Yeah,
V1 of s minus V2 of s
yeah. Divided by
R2.
R2 or R3?
So R3, R3.
What about third, fourth equation?
I3 of Sir, I2 minus
I2 minus.
I3 into R.
So I2 of S into R4 minus I3 of S into R4. What about I3 of S?
I3 of S is equal to V2 of S minus V3 of S by R3.
What about last one, V0?
So V0 is equal to 1 by R6. 1 by
Into
I,
R what
sir, I into R6. I3.
I3 into R6. Write in the signal flow graph for this. So whichever is negative, so make it as a feedback path. Whichever is positive, make it as a forward path. But here I2 of S into R2 minus I2 of S into R2. For this, what is the gain here? Gain in Barathile? In the previous case, it is 1 over R1, 1 over R2, 1 over C1, but here the gain is R2 only, and here the gain is only R4, and here the gain is only R6. So write the signal flow graph and then extract and then write the overall transfer function. So, anybody is having doubt? With this, I'm going to end the class today. So all of you just make your presence in the chat box and then you can leave the meeting.